Hi, I'm James Foxall, President and CEO of Tigerpaw Software, coming at you with another video in our series to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. The topic of today's video is automatic tech assignment. And you may or may not know that we've had automatic tech assignment in the product for quite some time. However, our latest release has taken that and put it on steroids. We've added the ability to do automatic tech assignment by service order type, by technician territories, and by equipment manufacturer with the intelligence to do round robin. So if you have multiple technicians that can service a piece of equipment, for example, Tigerpaw will know to round robin those as the technician assignments come in. So the idea with this feature is to improve your response time, improve your technician productivity, and up your level of service because you're able to service things quicker and make sure you've got the proper people doing that service. So Tony is up next with the actual video on how to implement this. We're very excited about this feature and we hope you find it really useful. And again, it's just part of our commitment to you to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. Thank you for being a Tigerpaw partner.
Thank you, James. Tigerpaw has always allowed you to set default technicians based on SO templates, account, and contract settings. But did you know you can set logic rules to assign technicians based on territories, manufacturers of serviced equipment, or service order types? In this video, we will discuss configuring tech territories, assigning manufacturer specialties to technicians, and establishing auto technician assignment rules. To get started, let's head over to Tigerpaw. Before I can set assignment rules, I need to set up some settings within both my master tables and my technician's rep records. Let's start with the master table entry first. I will click Edit on the menu bar and select Master Tables. The table maintenance window opens. Let's start with setting up territories first. I will click to expand the service category and highlight Tech Territories. I will then click New on the toolbar and set up the West territory first. I will enter West into the Tech Territory field, and then add the postal codes that make up this territory within the Assign Postal Code section of this window. I will add 68135 and 68154 to the list. I would continue adding zip codes until all zip codes are entered that exist in this territory. I would repeat this for every territory I service. The master tables are also where you can configure manufacturers and specific models you service. I would click to expand the inventory category and highlight manufacturers. Here, I can add manufacturers, and within each manufacturer, I could add specific models. As you can see, I have already added the HP printer models I service. Once this information is verified, I will click to expand the Reps category and highlight Account Reps. A list of my users, including my technicians, display in the pane to the right. I will double-click on one of my reps, Charles Summit. The Account Rep Maintenance window opens. From here, I will click on the Tech Abilities tab. I can add tech skills first by clicking the Assign Tech Skill to Rep icon. I will assign cabling to Charles. Next, I will assign manufacturers that Charles is approved to work with by clicking the Assign Manufacturer to Rep icon. I will assign HP to Charles. Now I will assign a territory to Charles by clicking the Assign Tech Territory to Rep icon. I will assign Charles to the West territory. And lastly, I will assign Charles to the types of service orders he's available to work by clicking the Assign SO Type to Rep icon. I will select Bench Repair, Remote, On-Site, and Mac, Move Add Change. I am now done setting up Charles, so I will click Save and Exit from the toolbar, returning me to the master tables. I would repeat these steps with each technician I have in Tigerpaw. Once complete, I will exit the master tables, returning me to Tigerpaw. With my conditions set, it's time to set up the Auto Tech assignment rules. This is done in the Options menu. I will click Tools in the menu bar and select Options to open the Options window. I will then click Service Orders to open the Service Order Options window and navigate to the Auto Tech Assignment tab. The first thing I will do is enable Auto Tech Assignment here, which activates the other options on this form. We know you may already have default technicians set at the account or contract levels that you may want to preserve, which is why we allow you to set a hierarchy of conditions. As you enable conditions, the order of these conditions matter. Tigerpaw will always look down this list. For example, if you enable Account Service Tech first, then Tech Territory second, if the account the service order is being created for has a default tech assigned, Tigerpaw will honor that, assign that tech, and stop the process, not even looking at the tech territory condition. If the account did not have a default technician assigned, Tigerpaw will then move to the tech territory condition when assigning a technician to the service order. This way, any existing automation you have configured will remain intact. Once you've enabled the conditions you'd like to use for auto tech assignment, the next step is to review the logic Tigerpaw will follow within the tech assignment section of this tab. For example, if I select tech territory in the assignment condition field and choose West in the tech territory dropdown, I will see a list of technicians that are set to work within the West territory. When a service order is made for an account within that territory zip code, Tigerpaw will cycle through these techs round-robin style. I am free to verify all my tech assignment conditions here to ensure I'm satisfied with the tech assignments listed. Lastly, I have a few auto tech options to activate. The first option, Enable Manufacturer Tech Preference on Adding Items Serviced, assigns a tech based on the manufacturer of an item that is added to the item serviced area of a service order. The Enable Prompt for Tech Assignment on Pertinent Data Change option would prompt you to change the technician if a condition used to assign technicians is changed after the SO is created. Once you are satisfied with these settings, click OK to close the Service Order Options window, then close out of the Options menu. You are now ready to let Tigerpaw assign your technicians to newly created service orders. In this video, you learned how to configure conditions that allow Tigerpaw to dynamically assign technicians to your service orders, saving you time when deciding who should work on a service order. Make sure to check out online help to get a detailed rundown of all your options when configuring this powerful piece of automation.